Hi, this is Litre Taillight Parts Plus. Today we have a 2012 Great Wall X200 240, stock number 6083. This ran from 04 2011 to 01 2015. It's a GW4D 2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a GW4D 2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light for sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.